you like another carrot? You're waiting for your carrot? You think you're getting one? Where's your carrot? Where is it? Where'd you go get your carrot? Where is your carrot? Is Lila getting it? Where's Lila? Go get Lila. Go. Marcy, go. You're waiting for your carrot, right? Uh-oh. Lila.
What?
Bring him a carrot. He wants a carrot.
You want another one?
Marcy, where's your carrot? Uh-oh, she didn't bring you any. You're waiting so patiently. What's going on? Where's your carrot?
Should I hide it?
Hmm?
Should I hide it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, sure, whatever.
What's this?
That's a carrot. Stay. You're getting a carrot. You are.
Come here, Marcy.
Where is it? It's on the stairs. You got your carrot. You have a carrot. What are you, a bunny? You've got big ears. Hi, I have a carrot. Look, Marcy. I have a carrot.
Where's the sugar?
On the cabinet.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, on the upper shelf.
Oh.
Okay, puppy. Here's your carrot. Here's the other half. Clean up after you. What?